Hello and welcome for a Tuesday tip with Tesla Training Center. My name is Jack. Let's go over an electrical tip today. For us, we're going to do a little calculation to find out how many recessed lights can I install on a 15-amp breaker. Okay, so there's 4 steps that we're going to go through. Step 1 is going to be to figure out how many watts each light uses. Okay, so for a little bit of standardization, we're going to use 18 watts per LED units. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let's save it for later. We'll move on to number 2. We're going to calculate 80% of the breakers in passing. So when then go back in the question, we're working with a 15 amp breaker. So we're going to do 15 amps times 0.8, and that will give us an answer of 12 amps. So the max capacity that we want to use on that 15 amp breaker is 12 amps. Okay, so currently at that. Step 3 is to multiply 12 amps by 120 volts to get our total wattage. Now, why we use 112 volts is because that is the voltage that we use in residential systems. So this is going to be at your house, at your apartment, a dwelling space is going to be 120 volts. So get on the math together, we get 1,440 total watts. Okay, the final step is step 4. Divide our total watts by the wattage of each light. Now, back in step 1, we figured out that our LED light bulbs are minimum 18 watts. So we'll take a total wattage and divide by 18. This will give us the total amount of recessed lights that we can install in a 15 amp breaker. So taking that math, 1440 divided by 18 will give us the final answer, which is going to be 80 recessed lights. Cool. So this is your final answer. Those are the 4 steps that you need to take to determine the amount of recessed lights that you could fit. 15 amp, you could use the same amp for 20 amp, so on and so forth. I hope that this tip was helpful. Thank you for joining Tesla Training Center, and we'll see you soon for another electrical tip.